Have you ever wondered how they make these beautiful, amazing soaps? How they mold them and even cut them? Well, welcome to Naturally Naz, and today we'll show you just that. Watch with me as I unmold and cut this amazingly moisturizing soap. So we are trying to unlock the air and the suction from the soap mold and the soap inside. So I have to pull all sides to release the lock and air inside so we can get it out. Put that away a little bit. Release the lock and I push, release. Now go a little further. Oh, awesome, it's all done. So here we are, well situated on my soap cutter from Natural Soap, and let me line up to make sure it's all done. I think I'll take it to the side. Okay, so here we go. Make sure everything is nicely lined up, and in a few seconds, not just 1, 2 each time, but all at once, my chocolate soap is now being cut and ready. Can you see it? Now you see how it's made. And this is a highly moisturizing chocolate soap with shea butter, cocoa butter, olive oil, castor oil, all those amazing, and it is highly moisturizing. My customers just absolutely love it. They feel like they're being massaged with the suds, the lather, when they use it to bathe. I feel the same thing when I use it too. And I forgot, there's a surprise inside. For this year's Valentine's, there is a heart-shaped soap in there also. So this is like 2 soaps in 1. I totally forgot, honestly. And there's a ring around it, but as time goes by, this will take 4 to 6 weeks to be ready, all right, to be cured. I totally forgot that I had placed a nice heart in there this time, specifically for Valentine's. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, look at this one. And I'm loving the line around here. It's beautiful, but it's gonna fade over time. See? And this is another, I'm trying to have it focused so you could see that little chocolate chip piece on the top. Thank you so much for watching this. And also, I can show you that fondant thing. This piece of plastic fondant shaper here. I can't quite remember the name, but this is the beautiful design it gave me on the bottom. Isn't that beautiful? This will be ready for Valentine.